Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we are going to review Surfshark VPN. Surfshark VPN is a virtual private network service designed to protect your online privacy, encrypt your internet traffic, and help you bypass geo restrictions. Key features. First, let's talk about the features. Surfshark offers an impressive list of tools, including unlimited device connections. Unlike most VPNs, Surfshark allows you to connect unlimited devices under a single subscription. Clean Web. This is Surfshark's built-in ad blocker, which also prevents trackers and phishing attempts. Multi-hop. For enhanced security, Surfshark lets you route your traffic through multiple servers in different countries. Performance and speed. Performance is key when choosing a VPN. During our tests, Surfshark's speeds were solid, especially on nearby servers. It's perfect for streaming in 4K, gaming, and downloading large files. However, speeds may dip slightly when connected to far-off servers, especially in regions with fewer options. Privacy and security. Privacy is the backbone of any VPN, and Surfshark excels here. It operates with a strict no-logs policy, meaning your online activity isn't tracked, stored, or shared. Additionally, it's based in the British Virgin Islands, a privacy-friendly jurisdiction. Surfshark also uses industry standard AES 256 encryption and offers two-factor authentication for added security. Pricing and plans. Now let's talk about pricing. Surfshark offers one of the most budget-friendly options in the VPN market. A monthly plan starts at $15.5 per month. A one-year plan is $3 a month. And the 2-year plan will cost you just $2 per month with an additional 2-month free. Conclusion. So is Surfshark VPN worth it in 2025? Absolutely. With its powerful features, unbeatable price, and focus on privacy, it's a fantastic choice for most users. If you want to try it yourself, check out the link in the description for the latest details. And that's all for today's review. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.